Hello everyone. Now I would like to talk about Simpson rule, and this rule is nearest to the trapezoidal rule as we talked about before. But we have a difference between Simpson rule and trapezoidal rule. Here, if we have a function f here is continuous in the closed interval a and b, but here in the number of rectangles or the number of equal parts for this interval, it must be an even integer like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Simpson rules approximate the area for the function f of x with respect to x from a to b. It is approximately equal b minus a for the trapezoidal divide by 2n, but here divide by 3n. Here divide by 3n. Okay, and the first value f of x naught and the last value is f of xn, like the trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule, all of the values of the function between f of x naught and f of xn are doubled, but here one is multiplied by 4 and the next multiplied by 2, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 2, and so on. And moreover, x approaches to infinity, the right hand side, which is this value, approaches to the definite integral for this function here, or it is the right hand side approaches to the value for the left hand side. How to apply this theorem? For example 1, use Simpson rules to approximate the area from 0 to 1 for radical x plus 5 with respect to x, and n is equal to 4. Note that n here is even. How to solve? Here n is equal to 4, then the closed interval from 0 to 1, you will divide it to 4 equal parts. Okay, then you have here 2 equal parts and here 4 equal parts. This is x naught and this is x1, this is x2, x3, x4, and n equals to 4. How to get the values for x1, x2, x3, x4? Okay, you will find the distance from 0 to 1. It is 1. 1 minus 0, it is 1, divided by 4. Then you have here 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. It will be 2 over 4, which is half, plus 1 over 4, it will be 3 over 4, plus 1 over 4, which is equal to 1. Now we have all values for the x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4. I think you can apply the Simpson rule, which says the integral from 0 to 1 for radical x plus 5 with respect to x, it will be what? b minus a divided by 3n. This is a and this is b. b minus a, it is 1 minus 0, divided by 3n, 3 multiplied by 4, multiplied by f of x naught, f of 0, plus 4 f of 1 over 4, plus 2 f of half, plus 4 f of 3 over 4, the last one f of 1. I think you can replace easily. 1 minus 0, it will be 1 over 12, multiplied by f of 0, it will be 0 plus 5, it will be radical 5. 4f of 1 over 4, 4 here, and radical. 1 over 4 plus 5, it will be 5, and 1 over 4, which is 5 multiplied by 4, 20 plus 1, 21 over 4. 2 f of half, then replace x with half, half plus 5, 5 and a half, then double 11 over 2, 4, 3 over 4 plus 5, it will be 3 over 4 plus 5 multiplied by 4, 23 over 4. F of 1 plus 5, it will be radical 6. And use your calculator to get the value for this area, and this area is approaches to the exactly area. If you increase the number of n to 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on, and if you go to infinity, I think you will get the exactly area for this function from 0 to 1. Thank you for watching.